Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we're going to have a review. So let's find out what is in this big bag here. Holy cow. Okay, well, it looks like cross-stitch kits. Let me pull everything out here. Hang on. Oh, and we have a little package. All right. This bag comes from OutdoorTide store. If they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right in here. So this is going to be part 1 of 2. Next part will be next Saturday. So give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. So we're going to do 2 of the cross stitch kits and this little thing that's in this bag. Can't remember what it is, so we will see. I think it's some needle minder, but you know, heck, I could be wrong. Oh yeah, it is this lovely stretching cat. Isn't that cute? And they have several of these, and I like how they're making them nice and thick and heavy duty metal. I don't know why it doesn't have another, wait a minute, maybe. I was just gonna say, why does it not have another piece to the thing? But it has a very thin extra battery. Maybe that goes there. I don't know. I do have some E6000, so that's not a problem. But yeah, it is and it isn't. We're just gonna leave it attached there. But yeah, I just thought he was cute, and he was $3.97. And he's way bigger than my other cat that I got from someplace else. I think I got this from Allie, didn't I? I don't know. But yeah, very nice. So now I have actually 3 cats, because I have the cat with the fish, and it's long and it's oblong, and I don't see it right this second, but yeah. But for $4, I think it's awesome. All right, let's get into this first crunchy kit. We'll put the other one right over there. Give me a second. Let me get it out of the bag. All right, I am back. Is he not adorbs? Now, he's more Christmassy than I expected. But that's okay. I think he's cute. And he's not very big. It is 40 by 40. I'm sure, yeah, it'll tell me down there anyway. Does have the instructions on how to start and how to finish. Product numbers up here. This is from the Yee Shoe Company. And it has 35 colors. Nice big printed pattern. Very easy to see all the symbols. What colors do we have? We have 154, which is mulberry. 310 black, 666 red. We have 814, which is kind of a brick red. No 3371 and no 3865, so I have no idea what they're using for the white, but very nicely printed from them. And down here at the bottom, it says it's 147 by 147 stitches square and 39 by 39 centimeters. So yeah, I usually just round those things up. Okay, we're going to keep that because we're going to need it here in a minute. Oh, we got a toolkit. This is a little bit different, you know. Strange but true, right? So it has this little container with the 5 needles in it. There's no poof ball, so you get this instead. Come on. And you have 5, pad if I can get a hold of them. 5 needles. And they go into this lovely little plastic carrying case. And a thimble and a threader. And it comes in a bag with La Tigre on it. So we're going to put all that back in there. That's quite unique for them. Okay. Is this a new norm or I got nothing? Now, why I wanted to keep that paper, I want to match the number on the threads, the pattern, and the canvas. So the product number is 8305. This says 8305. And it says 8305. So all that matches. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at these threads. Be right back. All right, I am back, but look at those colors. How bright and vivid they are. Guess I didn't think about him being that bright and vivid, but there's turquoise and oranges and reds. So yeah. We'll have to save him for Christmas. We got there's the turquoise, kind of an orangish color. Now that, why does that look like 550 purple? Nope, that's 154. So yeah, kind of a dark mulberry look. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And I'm looking to see what they're using. This is kind of a pale pink color. So it is color number, if I can get it going in the right direction, 819. So that's a new one. Even got blue in that, or like regular blue, like royal bluish, turquoise. Just lovely. And then of course I dropped all these stupid little thread cards. I really despise these things, I'm telling you. And this is not helping. We're just gonna make that a little bit narrower. And put the rubber band back on. But beautiful colors. See if I can get them all shook out. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous threads. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Crinkling. And putting it back in its bag, and we'll put this up there so we don't get it lost. And let's look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. It has that same information I just read to you from the pattern. Very nicely printed. It is an 11 count. I don't know that I said that or not. But very easy to see symbols. Just adorbs. And I think this one will be an easy stitch. I mean, you've got lots of big areas. What is there? 13, 8, 817. I couldn't even see it myself. So, but very nice. Let's measure this. Let me get to my thing. Sorry about the air conditioner. It decided it's going to be summer again. Oh yeah. Okay, so 40 centimeters. Or 15 3/4 inches by, whoops, it's hooked. Of course it is. This way it is about 40.5 centimeters or almost 16 inches. Actual picture size is 13 1/4 inches or almost 34 centimeters. And this way it is 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 inches. So very nice. Very, very nice. I like Yushu. They, you know, usually do a great job. I haven't had a problem with them in a while. Ooh. That's odd. Did that come off of... Maybe that came off the cat. I don't know. We're going to put it with the cat because it was attached to my little snips that I got with something. We'll put that up there. And that kit is $10.28. Now the next one is $10.28 as well, and it is also a 40 by 40. So let me get it out. All right, I am back. Sorry. Isn't that cute? I thought it was perfect for this month. Halloween, trick or treat. It's not scary. It's not bad looking. They call this, oh my goodness, purple hot chocolate. So, but yeah, it's a 40 by 40 as well. So, has the same kind of pattern as we just looked at. Instructions. Let's see what the pattern looks like. No smudges, no smears. Background is B5200. It has 35 colors, and once again, 147 by 147, 39 by 39. But very nice. I like this. Be something cute to put up at Halloween. You could make it a centerpiece of the, what do you call it? Like a wreath, you know, and put it behind there, you know, with all the goodies and stuff around it, if you're into all that. Yeah, no, not me, but yeah. But I thought it was cute without being over Halloween-y. You know what I mean? Not that I ever had purple hot chocolate, but yeah. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 154 again, which is mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 823 and 939. No, 3371. And like I said before, B5200 for the background. So there should be quite a big amount of that. So we're going to leave that there. Now this one has a toolkit that just says 28. And it has 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. So that's like normal. What I wanted to do was compare the numbers. So the product number is 8496, 8496, and 8496. So we'll put that up there and we'll take a look at the colors. Be right back. All right, I am back. Pretty colors. We got oranges, we got blacks, we got blue, kind of a darkish brick reddish. It almost looks like a dark raspberry. It's got a little something in it that makes it not look red. Let me flip it over. There's all your B5200 for that background. And again, it's not that big of a picture. Look at all the oranges and blacks though. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, just beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous colors. Yep, I can hardly wait to start that one. And we're going to start that today on my October stitching today. Get that all back there. So join me at 1 for my October stitching. The theme is autumn, fall, whatever all that entails. So, you know, maybe we could say we're going to use autumn and Halloween this month, and then fall in November. I don't, or Thanksgiving, because, yeah, never mind. Rabbit hole, fell down, sorry. Okay, let's measure this puppy. It is serged all the way around. It is 40.5 centimeters or 16 inches that way. And this way it is 39.5 centimeters or a little over 15.5 inches. Actual is 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters. And this way it is 34 centimeters or almost, oh, it's a little over 13.25 inches. So not too big. Myself, I would not do the background. I'd just concentrate on this part, because when you wash all this, it's going to be white anyway. So each to his own. If you want to stitch it, stitch it. If not, don't worry about it. So, because I'm not wasting my time doing all that in white. Yeah. So we have lots of B5200 left over, but usually. But very nicely printed. I'm looking to see if there was any smudges or smears. Again, this is an 11 count. Very nicely printed. No smudges, no smears. It's going to have a little confetti, not going to lie. Just kind of here, there, and everywhere. You know, especially when you get into the detailing. So, very nicely done. Very nice. Yep, it's on my radar for today. Alright, thank you, OutdoorTide, for these lovely kits and the lovely little needle minder. I just love my cat. And he's kind of heavy, but he's cute. So I'm going to have all these things on my desk that are going to get buried, you know, as I go along. You know, I always have to clean off my desk. So he's at least capable of being up on my thing that holds the camera. Yep. Now, OutdoorTide has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they also have, I'm sure, beaded cross stitch by now. And, you know, they're they're competitive with other stores. Prices are always great. And I did not have a problem getting this. I ordered this on the 19th of September. So today is what, the 5th? So it took about 15 days to get here. I was trying to figure out how long that took. Math and me are just not good. What can I say? So, like I said, if there's any specials or any discount codes for me, it'll be in the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Thank you for joining me today and seeing all these lovely, cute kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.